Hello everyone, I am Freelancer Shafiq, a professional local SEO specialist for small and local business. If your business is not on page 1 of Google, you are invisible to 90% of your customers. When I first started helping Christchurch business, especially cleaning service and dental clinics, I saw the same problems, amazing service but no visibility online. Then I applied proven local SEO strategies, optimizing Google Business Profile, targeting the right keywords, and building local authority. Within weeks, they saw more calls and more bookings. So if you want the same results for your cleaning or dental business, please drop me a message today. I will run a free SEO audit and show you 5 quick wins you can start using immediately. And thank you so much for watching me and wish you good luck for your small business.